PrizePicks has a 1x playthrough requirement, which means that you must play through all deposited funds at least once before you're eligible to make a withdrawal. For example, if you deposit $25, you are required to submit and play $25 worth of lineups before a withdrawal can be processed. It's important to note that only credit funds count toward this playthrough requirement, promo funds do not. Additionally, providing inaccurate bank account information can cause your withdrawal request to fail. If this happens, the funds will be returned to your credit funds balance, and you'll be allowed to submit a new withdrawal request after correcting your information. Withdrawals can only be made using an approved payment method that you have previously used to deposit funds into your PrizePicks account. Certain deposit methods, including Discover debit cards, Apple Pay, and all credit cards, are not eligible for withdrawals. These can only be used for depositing funds. There is a minimum withdrawal amount of $10. Any request for less than this amount will automatically fail. Also, PrizePicks allows only one successful withdrawal every 24 hours. For instance, if your request is processed at 2 p.m., you will have to wait until 2:01 p.m. the next day to submit another withdrawal request.